Hi, Nelson.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Nelson, you've been referred here to our office, Dr. Fairman's office. Why were you referred to our office?
I was originally referred by Dr. Jack Shea, and it was from an appointment that I had with him, and he was telling me about the shape of my mouth and the way things were going and how bad it was. And so I decided, okay, you know what, it's been a few years since I've seen anybody about anything inside of my mouth, so I thought, you know what, it's probably kind of bad. I knew there was some problems, but it's just one of those things. You can ignore it if it's not terrible, terrible pain and something you feel like you can get past.
What was your problem exactly?
My problem exactly was, I think there was a molar that was bothering me, and also, like, the front of my mouth, as you can see, has been, over the years, just destroying itself. So I felt like, man, you know what, I might as well see somebody and see what can be done about it, if there is anything that can be done about it.
And you have periodontal disease, Nelson?
Yes.
Okay. What is it that we have done up to now for you at this office?
Well, regular cleanings, but the LANAP procedure was a big step in the right direction, getting my mouth healthier. It's still not the healthy that it should be, and I'm somebody that enjoys having a nice physical appearance for the most part. But it's one of those things where if you feel like you're somebody that needs to take care of themselves, then you should probably look into taking care of your mouth just the same, because most people don't really realize how much damage can be done inside of there.
The LANAP procedure is the laser procedure that you had done, right?
Yes.
Did it hurt you afterwards?
Not for me personally, but I've had multiple injuries to multiple body parts, so for me, the physical pain was pretty minimal. But I think if someone who usually would come in here and have it done, I don't think it should be painful at all.
And what is in the plans for you for your future treatment here?
Now that I've had that done and that part of the treatment done and part of my mouth cleaned up, now I'm going to have these front teeth taken out and possibly a bridge or implants, and then there's a few molars that need some attention in the back.
Nelson, why did you choose our office to come to get the treatment?
I talked to my wife after I'd come to an appointment with Dr. Fairman, and I remember one of the first things thinking when I was in the car was, man, she is brutally honest, but I like it. And it reminded me of some of my coaches when I was a kid and in college. They were brutally honest about performances and how good you were, and made you say to yourself, am I really the person that I think I am? And I think that's what really made me come back, is that she reminded me that, no, you're not the person that you think you are, and you need help.
Well, thank you, Nelson, for your comments. Really appreciate it. Is there anything else that you would like to say?
I've really enjoyed my time here.
Thank you, Nelson. We're very happy you're here too. Thanks.